How to find Steam ID. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Steam ID within the Steam app on a Windows PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So your Steam ID is a unique ID identifier for your Steam account, and it can be useful for tech support or connecting Steam to different gaming platforms. But we can easily find it in the Steam app by going up to the top right, and where you see your username, select the dropdown and then select View Profile. Once on this page, you might see a URL at the top. These numbers right here are your Steam ID. If you don't see the URL, just right click the page right here and select copy page URL. Now, once you've done that, you can paste the URL and just copy the Steam ID like that if you want to. But you can also use a free tool that I built at Convert Resize that'll extract the Steam ID for you. So go to convertresize.com and then in the search box, just type Steam and select Steam ID Finder. Then just paste your URL here and select Find ID. And then it will give you the Steam ID right here where you can copy it and then you can paste it wherever you need to. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.